Hi everyone, today I am in Flora, a charming rural area in the Philippines. I'm here on my hotel balcony watching the rain pour down and hoping for a break in the weather so I can go explore this beautiful place. Flora isn't your typical tourist destination. There are no fancy malls or towering skyscrapers here. But what it lacks in glitz, it makes up for in authenticity, warmth, and a way of life that feels refreshing and different from what I'm used to back in the USA. One thing that immediately caught my attention here is how people live and work. Many families run small stores or restaurants right out of their homes. It's something I've never seen before. Imagine walking down a quiet street and stopping by someone's front porch to buy snacks or a homemade meal. It's a beautiful blend of community and entrepreneurship that feels so personal and inviting. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of life here, rice. Rice is everywhere in Flora, and it's fascinating to see how much work goes into getting it ready for the market. My partner Mia showed me the process of separating the rice from grass fruit seeds. Did you know that these grass seeds grow alongside the rice and get caught up during harvest? Mia tosses the rice in the air to separate the black grass fruit from the rice grains. It's a skill that takes years to master, and watching her do it was mesmerizing. If you look across the vast fields of rice, it's hard to tell the difference between the rice and the grass, at least for me. I noticed some grass with seeds at the top, but the rice won't be ready for harvest until April. It's amazing to think how much effort goes into every grain of rice we eat. Next, I headed to Echo Park, a place that truly embodies the spirit of Flora. This park was created by a group of local volunteers and artists who poured their hearts into making something special for the community. From tree houses to intricate wood designs, every corner of this park is a testament to creativity and teamwork. Exploring Echo Park felt like stepping into a storybook. The tree houses are perfect for the climbing, and the handmade structures are so unique. You can tell how much love and effort went into building this place. It's not just a park, it's a celebration of community and imagination. If you visit this place at night, it's lit up, so you got a totally different magical feel to it. So from what I'm hearing, it's a good time to go see it at night. As the rain finally lets up, I can't help but reflect on how special Flora is. It's a place where life moves at its own pace. where people find joy in simplicity, and where nature and community come together in the most beautiful ways. From the rice fields to Echo Park, every monument here has a reminder of how much there is to learn and appreciate in the world. If you ever find yourself in the Philippines, don't just stick to the big cities. Take a detour to places like Flora. You might just discover a side of the country that stays with you forever. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories from around the world. See you next time.
You'd take me there.